So this is the protein that goes on to form amyloid beta, okay? It's called APP, amyloid precursor protein, okay? And you have enzymes that chop it up. The first enzyme is alpha, okay? Alpha chops here in the middle of the red, okay? And as it goes, it can chop and go in two directions. I think did I show you this figure before? If it chops and goes to your right, that's the good direction. That does not form amyloids, okay? So alpha chops here, and then gamma chops, and all of these are not bad. If beta chops, then you go to the left, and that's down the amyloid pathway. After beta, gamma chops, and when gamma chops, you have this length, which is called amyloid beta, okay? Now that exact length can differ by a few amino acids, and that makes a difference in how bad it is. So numbers worth remembering are that amyloid beta 42, a length of 42 is more bad than 40, okay? And then there's a rarer 43, which is even worse, okay? So it fits all the other, for no reason, it fits the other things I was saying, like, you know, more repeats is bad. The longer the length here, the bad. You can remember it like ApoE4 is bad compared to ApoE2. All the higher numbers tend to be bad, just randomly. Okay. And the mechanism of that is because amyloid beta 42 and 43 aggregate more. And remember, in all the diseases I'm talking about, the way they aggregate is through beta sheets flopping out and hydrogen bonding with each other in all of these. Okay. So here's another view of it. And here's gamma secretase, which is shown by that arrow over here. It's actually made up of these 4 proteins. And you see PSEN1 and 2, which were genetic risk factors for Alzheimer's, okay? And so this was the 2 greatest targets for Alzheimer's that have been attacked have probably been gamma secretase inhibitors and amyloid beta binders like antibodies, okay? Any questions? I note here some worrying side effects people had was like these enzymes, alpha, beta, gamma, they work on other things. So inhibiting them may be bad. Gamma secretase, for example, works on Notch. Notch, you may remember, it's involved in development. So like I would imagine that might cause problems in pregnant women. I don't think any pregnant women are on gamma secretase inhibitors, but you have to worry about when you're targeting machinery that works on more than one thing.